Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing 4 Hot Wheels Track Stars trucks. And first up, we've got the Speed Blaster. It's a pretty awesome truck, this one. Takes a car on the back. Yeah, look at the artwork on the card, pretty cool. And on the back there, just describing the Track Stars aspect of these trucks. Really cool to watch them go. Alright, let's rip straight into this first one. Yeah, let's get it out. It's sitting in an extra protective cover in these packs. So this one's in a purple and that orange. It's pretty cool, just those little bits of orange, and the windows in the truck are orange, as well as metallic orange rims on black wheels. So you can see there the connection of the trailer and the truck is stuck together. It doesn't come apart. That is why it's so good on the track. They stay together. Pretty awesome one this one's called Speed Blaster. Got the decal on the side with a bit of flames. Next up, it's the custom Volkswagen Hauler. Another pretty awesome looking truck. Whoa, is it a truck? It's a custom truck, isn't it, I guess? But this one has sort of got a camper trailer on the back, and it's in that metallic-y blue with the blue flames on the side, almost like lightning electric sort of looking flames. It's pretty cool. So you can see the interior there of the camper van sort of aspect of this truck trailer, with the light blue capping plastic across the top and the big Volkswagen on the front. So you can see those wheels there, they're silver wheels, and you can see right through them, so they actually look like real mag wheels, real alloy wheels. It's pretty cool. I actually like this one. I'm really looking forward to seeing this one go on the track. It's going to be awesome. Yeah, look at it. It's pretty cool. Next up, it's Speed Fleet. This one's actually pretty cool. It's like a racing sort of themed truck with the number there, number 13 on the side, and it actually says Hot Wheels RT on this, like HWRT on the side of that truck. So it's sort of almost like Hot Wheels Race Team. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that that's probably what it means. And I think the white and the orange in this one go pretty well together with that black trailer. It's pretty cool. And the door at the back, it opens. Probably wouldn't fit a car in there, but it's still pretty cool anyway. Yeah, I like this one. I think the numbers on it make it actually look a bit more racy as well. So that'll be pretty cool to watch this one on the track. Last up, we've got the HIWAY Hauler. Actually looks like a semi-truck, this truck. It's all in red pretty much. The truck itself has a blue metal base, and actually the truck is plastic. Not so bad, it looks alright. It's got the F1 decal cars on the side of the trailer. It's pretty awesome actually. I think this one actually looks most truck-like out of all of them. It's got those chrome exhausts on the side. I don't know, I just like this one. It's pretty cool. It's got that spoiler on the back of the trailer, and again, the trailer opens. Again, wouldn't fit a car in there, but pretty cool little feature. Yep, it's a pretty nice truck. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed opening those 4 Track Star trucks with me today in the Hot Wheels Garage. So big thumbs up, leave your comments down below on what you thought of all these trucks. Have you got any of these trucks in your own collection? And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.